I'm Michelle Gordon here at Life. I am here with my new friend Greg. I'm going to allow him to introduce himself and his new film, The Last Sound.
Yes. Hey, how are you doing? My name is Gregg DaCosta. My film is called The Last Sound. You want me to explain?
Yeah, what's it about?
Yeah, so The Last Sound is basically about a woman named Jennifer. She finds out that her sister ends up getting stage 4 cancer. So during all that things that are going on, there's a lot of twists and craziness that happens around those moments. The main message of it is never take life for granted, and you just really don't know when anyone's life ends.
You really don't. What was your inspiration for this?
So it was actually someone who took care of me, like in the past. She passed away from stage 4 cancer, and when that happened, something in my head was just like speaking to me, saying like I have to go ahead and make something that honestly would make her proud and make the whole entire family proud as well. And not only that, there's been a lot of people in my life that's passed away, so this one goes out to each one of them.
I'm sure they're all proud of you, and I'm sure they're all watching.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Where can we find the film? Any other social media outlets or anything that we can see a trailer?
Right now, yeah, the trailer, you can go on Vimeo. If you go on Vimeo, you can just type in The Last Sound trailer. You'll be able to see it up on there. There is another 2 more episodes that you will see. So once that's uploaded, then you guys can see that as well.
Okay.
Everything will be up on Vimeo.
Fantastic. Do you have any other new projects in the works, or
Yeah.
besides the other next 2 episodes? I feel like you might have a franchise on your hands here.
Yeah, I have a whole stack load of projects. The next project is a feature film. That is, I was a co-writer on that one. Antoine Allen, shout out to him. We just finished that feature film. It's called Lola. Very big film, very powerful film. After that, I have a few other ones that.
Okay, those are under wraps still.
Yeah, those are under wraps, But yeah.
Oh, well, fantastic. We look forward to seeing you in all your work.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.